It's Teacher Lorie again. Are you ready to read more? For our word family, we will read together Op family. Let's name together pictures that you will see on the screen. Hop, mop, top, pop, and stop. Your turn. Name the picture. Good. Got it? This one? Great. How about this? Okay. And here's the last. Great job. Blending time. Remember, we will read op words. Say op. First word, hop. What's the first sound? Ha. Blend the sounds together. Ha, up, hop. This word, mop. Blend the sounds. Up, mop. Next, top. Say ta. Ta, up, top. How about this? Pop. Pop, up, pop. And last, stop. Yes, stop. Stop, up, stop. More practice using our flipbook. Try to blend these sounds with Teacher Lorie and read the word. Ha, up. Say the word. Hop. Up. Tell me the word. Mop. This one. T. Up. Read the word, kid. Top. Pop. Up. Say the word. Pop. And here's our last word. Stop. Up. Stop. Last part. Read our up words by yourself. Try your best. This one? Good. How about this? Great. Next. Got it. And last is stop. That's right. Here's my cheer for you. This is Super Snake Cheer. Ready? Super!